Okay, guys, this busy board is awesome. I have a kid who loves busy boards. Just to show you, this is our busy board that we had until I bought this bigger one. We're about to go on a trip. I knew this one was not going to hold his attention much longer. This one, you turn the key and it goes on and off after you turn the key. But this one, this mega busy board, you turn on here, and then every little thing you see on the board turns on or off a light. So this really fun one, kids love to feel like they're grown-ups and put things in. This key turns on one. Every little item here is going to be lit up or turned off or changed by one of the toggles. And when you have a little kid that is easily distracted, look how cute that is. It's a knob that speed turns the colors. They're just gonna love it. Like, I cannot wait to give this to my son. I actually just reviewed it because I needed to throw up a review on Fast to let you guys know how awesome this is. And then I will add hopefully more when he gets psyched to go on our trip. So absolutely love it. Whole thing turns on and off. Simple 2 AAA batteries in the compartment. Rather straightforward instructions came with it, but I mean, when you open it, the nice thing about this too is even though this is about the same weight, it looks really durable, but it's not heavy, right? So it's not like a wood where like if it fell on or something, it would, cause any sort of boo-boos. And look how cute on the back. Isn't that adorable with like the little alphabets? So I have a 3.5-year-old. I think this could work really. I don't see any dangerous parts or anything. So really, I would imagine as long as you have these screws in nice and tight, anything from a baby to, even, 5, 6, 7-year-old, whoever wants to play with it. It's the kind of thing I'm sure kids of all ages will kind of want to play with and get their hands on. Perfect. I'm just thrilled that this is going to be something that I can give him on the plane. So yeah, really great item. It's so cute. I'm just excited to give it to him. All right, I'll stop blabbing on and try to post an update for you guys later.
All right, the world's greatest grandpa's at it again. Age 1+, and this is awesome. Like, this is awesome. Look at this. You got switches to do like stuff like that. And then that. And then you got keys that go in here and turn this little thing, and then you got this switch here. That one there. This little dialy thingy here. Look. Make it go faster. This is awesome. Look at this. Look. I think even Ruby will like this. All the way down to baby Nora and baby, I think Mary might be able to get, it does say 1, but I think Mary will be able to do this too. Anyway, this is awesome.
sweetie. Hold on.
Eat somebody, plant. Eat somebody. Eat somebody, plant. Eat somebody. Oh no, this way.
But I didn't save you.